Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So in this video I'm going to talk about the Union Testnet. So this video is mainly for those of you participating in the Union Testnet campaign in order to maximize your chance of getting some potential rewards at the end. So Union is a project I've been talking about and a lot of you are participating in this campaign also. So I'm going to tell you guys the latest updates relating to Union. I'm going to talk about Union ceremony, and for those of you finding it hard to interact on the Union Testnet, I'm going to show you guys a little step that is going to help you in your Union interaction, most especially for those of you making transaction with Xeon and it's not counting. I'm going to tell you what to do for it to start counting for you, because a lot of you don't know how to navigate around this dashboard. So everything you need to know I'm going to tell you, and most especially those of you that participated in the Union ceremony and you are finding it hard to check your position on the queue. I'm going to show you how you can check your position. For those of you that don't know how to do it, those of you that follow my video guide on how you can participate in the Union build and you are already on the queue, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know on how to check your position. It's not hard, very simple. You just need to watch this video to the end. And for those of you trying to participate in the Union build, those of you that came across my video on how you can participate in Union build and you are trying to navigate around this, please avoid that video because they have finally closed the Union build set. You can't join anymore, so don't waste your time participating or watching the video again. They have closed the Union build ceremony. So those of you already on the queue, you are good to go. So you don't need to wait until your turn to contribute to the Union build campaign. So everything guys I'm going to tell you in this video. So Union 2.5 is now live, and you can see there are a lot of different compared to the last one. I love this new dashboard. As you can see on the screen, they decided to attach everything together so you can track your SP, your achievement, your rank here. You can also make some transfer here. You can see Kepler multisig, you can see history, you can get faucets here, you can see the explorer also, your transfer, you can monitor transfers happening here. You can see even their socials, you can get it here, their X, their Discord, and your connected wallet, you can also see it here, and make sure to connect your wallet. So I'm going to drop all the necessary link at the description of this video that is going to help you, and I'm also going to show you how you can get some faucets to interact with this, and I'm going to make a separate video for that also, for those of you finding it hard to get some faucet. But I'm going to say it in this video where to get some faucet for you to start interacting. So first of all, let's visit the Union dashboard. So you can see achievement stats, you can see mission stats, you can monitor your progress here, you can also see rank here. So you can see rank here. Even with that, you can also see your rank here also. So this is my current rank. You can visit your achievements, things you have achieved so far, the SP, completion rate, you can see it here. You can click on socials to monitor the things that you have done. All right, so I've done all these socials. Click on Union. This is for Union. So then click on or click on on-chain. So this is for the on-chain transactions. Although I've not completed some, like transferring into Xeon. So if you click on Xeon, you're going to see they have added some tags on Xeon, lighting the first March progress. So I'm yet to complete these tasks. Interact with Union Testnet through Union for at least 15 days during the testnet phase. You can see it. And for those of you that have not started anything relating to Union Testnet, please, you can start now, because if you start now and you're serious, you are going to rank well. So don't be afraid, start now so that you can participate in this campaign. This is not a referral airdrop, it's just your interaction, your time, and following the what to do. So if you click on achievement, click on all these tags here, you are going to see what to do. So now I'm going to show you guys how to interact with Union. So most of you already know what to interact. What you just need to do is to make some bridge or some swap, from different chains. Just make some transaction from different chains to another. But I'm just going to emphasize on Xeon for today. So most of you are finding it hard to interact with Xeon. You are trying to interact with Xeon, but it's not working. What you just need to do is to make Xeon your destination chain instead of your source chain, because maybe it's due to some error in the write-up. They were to tell us that make some transaction into Xeon, but instead, okay, let me show you guys. Let's see. All right, so this is it. Perform one transfer on Xeon testnet during the testnet phase. So this is supposed to be perform transaction into Xeon, because if you transfer from Xeon to another chain, it's not going to work. So what you don't need to do is to transfer from another chain into Xeon, then it's going to count, as you can see on the screen. So I've just performed only 2 transactions here. So you can see just 2 transactions. So what you don't need to do is to either transfer from Babylon to Xeon or from Con to Xeon. But currently, I think only from Con to Xeon is working. So I tried using Babylon to Xeon yesterday. Babylon was 40, but today I don't know if it's going to work, so I'm going to check it out. So what you all need to do is to select your chain. Okay, before you select your chain, you need to get some faucet. And for you to get faucet, what you all need to do is to click on faucet. Although I'm going to make a separate video on how to get all these faucet in case this part is going to be complicated for you. So what you just need to do is to first of all get the Xeon testnet. So waiting for it to load. Now try to get other faucet as well. Like if you click on this hood scan, I'm going to open the page for you. We need to get Xeon testnet, Babylon faucet, and also we need to get corn. So for you to get corn, you just need to click on Bitcoin testnet. So it's going to open a new page for you. For those of you that don't have a PC, you can use your mobile phone to participate in this campaign. What you don't need to do is to download Mrs. Browser. Download Mrs. Browser, download all the necessary extension like Kepler Wallet, Kepler Wallet, and Rabi wallet or any VN wallet of your choice, but I prefer using Rabi wallet because it's fast. MetaMask is too buggy, so you can download Kepler wallet. If you don't want to use Kepler wallet, if you have Leap wallet for Cosmos, fine, but I prefer using Kepler wallet because it's very good, fast, and I prefer using Rabi wallet compared to MetaMask. So you need a Cosmos wallet and EVN wallet. So for Cosmos wallet, I'm using Kepler wallet. For EVN, I'm using Rabi wallet. So this is for corn. For those of you that want to get corn faucet, so you need to get corn faucet. So this is the amount of corn faucet you need to get. What you don't need to do is to visit this site. They are going to ask you to connect it to your GitHub account. Make sure to connect. Now what you don't need to do now is to visit your EVN wallet and get your address to paste. Alright, so what you need to do is to copy your address and paste it here to get the corn faucet. So we are going to perform some transaction from corn into Xeon. It is going to count, or you can perform some transaction from Babylon into Xeon. So currently, now you click on claim. So currently, I don't know if Babylon is going to work. So you have already receive funds in the last. Okay, yesterday I requested for some faucet, so I'll not be able to get again after 5 hours streaming it. So this is how you can get corn faucet. I already have corn faucet in my wallet. I already have corn faucet in my wallet. Alright, so look at it. I have 0.0002. So this is going to serve as a gas fee. You are not even going to use it. So make sure to request for corn faucet. And if you want to get other faucet as well, like EVN and the rest, I normally use this for Cosmos, most especially for Babylon, and some others. So for you to get Babylon faucet, you can get it here. You click on Cosmos, you click here. Now you select Babylon. So I don't know if this is going to work yet, because yesterday I tried doing it. Visit your Kepler wallet to copy your Babylon testnet address. Alright, so what you just need to do is to click on search. And for those of you that don't know how to add the Babylon testnet to your Kepler wallet, what you just need to do is to click on these three lines here. Click on add and remove. Then it's going to open a page for you. Now what you just need to do is to search for Babylon. Just search for Babylon. You're going to see the testnet. What you need to do is to tick it, then you click on save. So you can see Babylon phase 2 testnet. You just need to click it. Let me just tick this and click on save. So you have added the Babylon chain to your wallet. So sorry for that. All right, so we're going to get to this Discord part. So now what you don't need to do is to search for Babylon. Search for Babylon. You're going to see the testnet here. As you can see, T baby. You copy it. Now what you need to do is to visit here and paste the address. Okay, after you paste, you need to wait for this human verification stuff to pop up. So let me refresh the page. So for you to verify that you are not a robot, you can see successful. Now what you need to do is to click on request. So sometimes you are going to see sometimes you are going to see something like this: error, rate limit exceeded, or VPN blah 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 detected. So what you need to do is to avoid this anytime you are getting an issue, and visit their Discord. So you need to join the Babylon Discord group for you to get the faucet in case this site is showing you error. So what you need to do is to join the Babylon Discord group and visit down. Make sure to take it down. You are going to see faucet test baby. Click on it. All right, click on it. It's going to bring you here. What you need to do is to type this. So type this sign. Once you type this sign, make sure to write faucet small letter. So faucet, click on space, then you paste your address. So paste your Babylon address. Now what you need to do is to click on enter. All right, so you can see AG update, frequent requests from the same user. Please request faucet later. Okay, so yesterday I request for faucet, so I don't think they are going to give me after 24 hours. So you are going to see your faucets in your Kepler wallet. Well, I'm going to make a video soon on how you can get this faucet. So you can see I already have some T baby faucet here, that is the Babylon. So this is how to get faucet from their official X account. So I've already got some faucet, and for you to get Xeon faucet also, you can get it here. What you need to do is to visit your Kepler wallet and copy your Xeon address, paste it here. You can get your Xeon faucet. So I already requested for faucet yesterday. This is Union Testnet, so I don't think they are going to give me. All right, so paste, select Xeon, then you click on continue. You are going to receive the faucet. So I think click on continue. Alright guys, so I got the faucet. So now you click on reset, paste your address again. Now you click here, you select USDC. So they are going to send you USDC under the Xeon network. So you verify this, you can hit successful, then you click on continue. So sending token. So I got this. So I think it's every 24 hours going to work. So this is how to get Xeon. And for you to get Sephora faucet, you click on Alchemy to get Sephora faucet. I made a video about how you can get Sephora faucet. I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. And for you to get USDC under the Sephora faucet, you need to visit this site, as you can see on the screen, Cycle. Make sure to visit Cycle. Then what you need to do is to click on USDC, copy your EVM wallet and paste it there. Alright, copy your EVM wallet and paste it here. Alright, so it's my EVM wallet and click on send 10 USDC. So they are going to get 10 USDC to your EVM wallet under the Sephora faucet. So you can see, I think for you to get this 10 USDC is every 1 hour interval. So this is just fake tokens. It's not a real token, guys. All these are fake tokens. They are faucets. So in case some of you come. Alright guys, so first of all we are going to start with Xeon interaction. So we are going to bridge some Xeon USDC into Corn or maybe Babylon, but into Corn first. So now what you need to do is to select Xeon as your source chain. So you click on Xeon. Alright, so please make sure to connect your wallet first. You're going to see option to connect wallet. Make sure to connect your wallet. So connect your Kepler wallet and your EVN wallet, like Rabi or anyone. So now we are going to select Xeon as our destination. Sorry, we are going to select Xeon as our source chain. So I already have Xeon. Under Xeon, just select this USDC. So you are going to see your USDC balance. Now for your destination chain, select Con. After that, what you just need to do is to send 0.5. So you need to do this before you can interact with Xeon as your destination chain. So we need this 0.5 in order to use it to make interaction into the Xeon testnet ecosystem also. So you wait for it to process. Alright guys, so now what you just need to do is to click on transfer ready, then click on submit. Your Kepler wallet is going to open for you to approve the transaction. Alright, so let's approve this. Alright, now you click on approve. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, waiting for indexer. So this part is going to take a long time for it to process successfully. So for you to monitor this, what you need to do is to click on history. You click on history. Alright, so if you click on history, you're going to see it here. You're going to see the transaction here. So just click on it for you to monitor the transaction. So this needs to be successful first before you can see your 0.5 USDC in your Testnet. So this needs to be successful, something like this. So let me show you guys history. Like recently I made the transaction. Okay, so this is it. So this is it. Click on it, you're going to see something like this. So transfer receive. So what you need to do is to wait for it to enter your wallet. But since you are waiting for Con to enter your wallet, what you need to do is to make sure you perform other transaction. So like maybe Sephora to Hostkey, from Sephora to Babylon, from Xeon to Babylon. At least let them count, because there are a lot of tasks here for you to perform. So since I've already gotten the USDC in my Con, this is what you need to do after getting the USDC in your Con. So you select Con. So this is how you can transfer from Con to Xeon that is going to count for you, for those of you finding it hard to process. Very soon I'm going to make some video about it, maybe how to transfer from Con to Xeon, how to transfer from Xeon to Con, from Babylon, so that at least some of you understand it. But this video is going to be long, I know, because this is like a genesis into this new version 2.5, but other video is going to be short. So now you select your destination chain as Xeon. So select USDC. You select con, make sure to select USDC. So I already have the USDC. So Xeon. Now I'm going to transfer 0.001. So in this account, I've already performed 2 transactions into Xeon. So after this, the thing is going to be 3. So now you click on transfer, you click on submit. Alright, so your EVM wallet is going to open and you wait for it to process. Now, like I'm using Rabi, you are going to see sign confirm. So wait for it to process. You can see on the screen waiting for indexer. Alright guys, so transaction successful, as you can see on the screen. So it normally takes like 5 minutes for it to reflect on your dashboard that you have performed the transaction. That is on the Union dashboard. So now I'm not going to be able to see that I performed some transaction. So still waiting for this to process. Alright guys, so let's see if the transaction was successful. Yeah, let's see if that's counted for me. So you click on achievement start, click on view, click on on-chain, click on Xeon. Okay, so I've performed 2 transactions before, so let's see if it's going to count. And for you to monitor the tasks that I have not done, what you need to do is to click on achievement, because there are a lot of tasks you need to perform. You click on socials, so you are going to see mastermind, open it. Okay, I've done this. All these that is already like green like or blue like, if you see it like this, know that you have already done these tasks. But if you see anything like this, know that you have not done the task. So if you click here, this is for rows, this is for, so this is where to monitor your tasks and what to do. And for your testnet interaction, like Xeon is not available now, so make sure to avoid this. So for now, Xeon is not available. You click on chain. If you click on chain, you're going to see tax for Seporia. So Seporia tax, you can see it here. Interact with Seporia through Union for at least 3 days. So every day, make sure to come and interact. You can see that of 5 days, that of 10 days, interact 15 days, and interact 25 days. So if I'm to interact today, it's going to be 24 days. So I've not interacted with Seporia, which I'm going to show you guys soon. For on-chain again, if you bring it down, you are going to see Babylon. So Babylon is not currently here, but if you click on chain, you're going to see that for Babylon and Husky, because Husky and Babylon are not here. You can easily search for Seporia and Xeon, but for Babylon and Husky, you just need to click on chain. So this is for Babylon. Interact with Babylon for at least 3 days. Interact with Babylon for at least 15 days. I'm done with these tasks and I've gotten the SP. So click here. Union, Curious, interact with Union. So this is not available yet. So I've done all those tasks. Then for Husky, you click here. Okay, break the chain is for what? So break the chain is for Husky. So perform 10 transactions into Husky. I've done this. Perform 25 transactions, perform 50 transactions, perform 205 transactions, perform 500 transactions. I've done this and I've gotten the SP. So this is where you can monitor your listing. Then Husky the star. You see, perform 1 transaction into Husky during testnet 9 minutes. I've done that. So lighting the match is for which task? Okay, this is for Xeon. So perform transaction into Xeon. 3 days, I've done it. 10 days. So my target next is for 15 days. So now this is where to monitor your tasks. Let me click on Xeon to see if that's added. Okay, so it has not added. So I've already performed transaction from Con to Xeon. So let's check from Babylon to Xeon if it's going to work. Alright, so I already have some Babylon here, so I'm going to use Babylon. Destination chain is Xeon. Let's see if it's going to work. So with this, you're also interacting with Babylon. So you are interacting with Babylon and Xeon at the same time. Just that most of the times these tags normally fail. So if you click here, you click on submit. So you can interact from Babylon to host key. You can interact from Babylon to other chain. It's going to count for both for you. But for you to get your Xeon interaction, you need to transfer from another chain into Xeon. So waiting for it to process. All right, so your Kepler wallet is going to open for you to confirm the transaction. Then click on approve. Wait for it to process so that you can confirm the transaction. All right, guys. So now what you need to do is to click on approve. So waiting for the transaction to process. All right, guys. So looking on the screen, transfer successful. So you click on new transfer. All right, guys. So the transaction was successful. So you can transfer from Babylon to Xeon as of the time of making this video. So if you click on history, you're going to see the transaction. Yeah. So for the con transaction that we made, let's take a look at it. All right. So currently it is slow to move. I think the Babylon transaction into Xeon is going to be fast compared to con. So sorry, history. Yeah, click Babylon. Let's see. So send, still waiting for it to process. So you need to give it like 5 minutes. Then you don't need to visit your achievement and to check if it's going to count for you. Surely it's going to count for you. So what you just need to do is to continue interacting. So currently you can see just two, but I've made like 4 transactions now on Xeon. So just continue doing it. So now for Seporia, you can transfer Seporia to any other chain of your choice. Select under Seporia, select the USDC that you got. Now you select host key, put down the amount. So they all want you to interact, don't use much, like 0.00 something. Now you click on create order transfer. Your EVM wallet is going to open, you approve it. After that, you click on submit, you are good to go. Same thing with transferring from Xeon. Make sure to select the USDC part. Destination chain, you can select any destination chain of your choice, Hosky, Babylon, and the rest. So you're good to go. So I can still see, so I need to test run it first before I can give you guys feedback about it. So this is what to do. Then to know the tasks you have done, you visit here to check. Make sure to monitor the tasks you have to do and the tasks you have already done on chain. Click on chain, click on Seporia, click on Xeon. Make sure to check your Babylon transaction. Make sure to check your Husky transaction. You are good to go. So if you click on chain, you are going to see everything at once. And also make sure to perform your social tags. So make sure to perform your social tag. Make sure to follow some of their founders and the rest. Make sure to do some things. Then you are good to go so that you can get enough SP. So you can see this is my second account. I started recently. I can see I am currently ranked at level 4. So you can see my rank currently 66,382. Make sure to mass click this, guys. Make sure to connect all your social handle, your Twitter, your GitHub, and your Discord also. So you're going to see option to sign in. Make sure to do it. Very soon I'm going to make some little video relating to it so that you understand it, how to transfer from Xeon to Babylon, how to transfer this, how to that. So I'm going to show you guys very soon. And for those of you that participated in the union ceremony campaign and you don't know how to check your number on the queue, this is what you need to do. So visit your union ceremony dashboard. All right, visit your union ceremony dashboard. I'm going to log out. Log in using your GitHub or your Google, depending on the one you're using, registering for the queue. So I use Google. I'm going to use Google to connect. So now what you just need to do is to select Linux. For those of you that use Linux, because the guide was all about using Linux, now you click on copy command. Make sure to open your Ubuntu, wait for your Ubuntu to process to see something like this, then you paste that command. After that, you click on enter. So after clicking on enter, please make sure to wait for it to process. Alright guys, so after pasting the command, you are going to see something like this. This terminal must remain open, blah blah blah, and the rest. So now what you need to do is to visit your Union ceremony dashboard. You are going to see your place in the line. So this is my current place. You can see my average wait time. So this is how to know the position you are currently on the queue. So please make sure to do this to not miss out, because if you miss out you will not be able to join the queue again. So please make sure to know what you are doing. So this is how to know your current position for those of you that have already joined the queue. So for those of you that have not joined the queue, you cannot participate in the union ceremony tax again. So this is what you just need to know for those of you participating in the campaign. So during my turn, I'm going to also make a video for you to know how to contribute during that time. So please make sure to join my channel, make sure to subscribe. I'm up to date on Union. I'm seriously mass clicking this testnet, so please make sure to follow me. I'm going to keep you guys updated. Join my Telegram group for quick update, so make sure to be up to date on this. So this is how you can check your position. This is how you can participate in the Union Testnet campaign. So currently I think Xeon network is currently disturbing, so maybe the network is currently slow, but just make sure to keep interacting. Later it's going to process and you are going to get your task done. So don't worry, the more you keep interacting, don't worry, it's going to get it done for you. So far they have recorded it on your history. It's going to happen, so you can see. All right, so con, so this is when the con is currently here, does not reach transfer received. So click on history again. Let me see Babylon. I see Babylon 2 is slow. See Babylon 2 is slow. So Xeon is going to be slow. So just make sure to be patient, perform other transactions. It's going to count for you. Transfer from Sequoia to Oski, and the rest is going to count for. And before I forget, in case you paste your copy command from your union ceremony and this is not showing up, maybe you are seeing something deny or docker deny, I'm going to drop a code at the description of this video that is going to help you. So I'm also going to drop it. I'm going to drop it in my Telegram group, but I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video that is going to direct you to where to copy the code in my Telegram group. So what you all need to do is to paste it. After pasting it, just leave it for some time. You're going to see something like this. You check your union ceremony dashboard for you to check your current position, and please always make sure to check your position. Well, they are going to send it to you, but nevertheless always make sure to check it, because a lot of people have missed out on this because they are not always checking it. So please make sure to check it, and so that anytime the time comes you'll be ready to do it, because they are not going to wait for you. Once you miss it, you have missed it. And based on record from past project, testnet, Starknet and the rest, people that contributed got massive figures. At least the figure was decent and okay to change your life small, to set up some things. So please don't miss out on this. I don't know if Union are going to reward contributors, but at least you are going to get 65 SP. And don't forget to add your wallet to the dashboard. So for those of you that want to add your wallet, you click on this side. Now what you all need to do, you're going to see view wallet, click on it. Okay, so now what you all need to do is to click on add wallet. So add wallet. So you're going to see option for your Rabi wallet, option for your Kepler wallet. So connect the wallet you are using to your dashboard. So for Kepler wallet, just click on it. You are going to see option to add. So you have already added it. So I've already added this also. Yeah. But once you see your Cosmos wallet, you are good to go. Your EVM wallet also for one, add wallet, total wallet, blah blah blah. You are good to go. So just make sure you are serious with this. Make sure you are mass clicking Union. Mass click Union, guys. Mass click Union. Well, I'm bullish on Union, but nevertheless, lower your expectation because this is cryptocurrency. At any time, anything can happen. All right, guys. I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you, guys, and many more greens to your wallet.